At a press conference held on the 1st of July 2022, the Fellowship of Pastors of the Khasi Jaintia Presbyterian Synod Sepngi had announced the fundraising event that will be held as part of the year-long Centenary Celebrations of the Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital, Shillong. The hospital that was established in 1922 aims to provide excellent holistic care at an affordable cost to all age groups of patients, which is based on its motto, to serve. Since its establishment, the hospital has grown from strength to strength, and the need was felt that facilities in terms of infrastructure and services need to be upgraded to the next level. Briefing the media, the Secretary of the Organizing Committee of the Charitable Football Friendly Match, Pastor J.R. Thaba, informed that a friendly match will be held between the pastors and MLAs and officers of the state government in different zones across the Khasi and Jaintia hills from July to October 2022. Pastor Thaba also informed that a documentary film on the hospital and a write-up will also be displayed in all matches scheduled to be held throughout the year.
Tingis ngau paham itu bakani ke hospital ka ba uniu doktor ulaseng kalakot mentan sekarin yang kecing tap cispas nam kecing rakhe yakani ke hos yakani kecing sekari ke jongka kabenta ka pengaku ban kren kolong kecing sim bentalang jongi ki pastor ka Khasi Jaintia Presbyterian Synod Sepngi ha kecing rakhe yakani ka Centenary Jubilee. Bat ngiliyakut pan pelong da kanu ke program kenang banyila pan raise fund ban yarap lem ya kanika hospital tengiliyakut bangin pelong da kanika football friendly match hapeng jongi ki pastor bat ngin kerpat ye ki officer jong ka sarkar bangin ya le kai ha kanika match kum kajing penipon na ka banta kani ke jing rakhi ke hospital ya kani ke Centenary te nama ki ding don jong kitu ki klam ke jing ja kum tu ngim chim la ban le ya kata kakam de tat hadin ba kalabit labyang ni sayo ban penbek